Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer crypto from Binance to another Binance account. Now this is very easy and quick. The first thing you need to do, guys, is to get the wallet address. So if you are trying to send, for example, or you are trying to transfer Bitcoin to your friend needs to give you the wallet address. Okay, if they are trying to send you, if you are trying to send your friend, for example, Ethereum, they need to give you the Ethereum wallet address. Now to do that for them, they have to go to wallet and you have to click on fiat and spot, and you have to select the coin or the crypto that they are trying to receive from you. So for example, if you are trying to send them Ethereum, you have to select Ethereum and you have to click on deposit, and you have to select the network, which is Ethereum, and this is the wallet address. Copy the wallet address. Now they have to give it to you, and you have to go to your own Binance account, click again on wallet. This is your Binance account, okay, the account that you are trying to get the account that you are going to use to transfer for example Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever crypto to another account. Now you want to click on wallet, click on fiat and spot. You want to scroll down, okay, you want to scroll down, and this is for example, we are trying to send Ethereum. You want to click on withdraw. Next to Ethereum, you want to click on withdraw, and you want to paste the address that your friend gave you. I showed you at the beginning how you can get it. The network, you want to select the same network, okay. You want to select BNB Smart Chain, and then after that, guys, you want to click on yes, I am sure. So and then you're gonna select here the amount that you are trying to send, for example like 2 or whatever. So you want to click on withdraw. So at the moment you click on withdraw this, then you have successfully the deposit is successful. So that's exactly, guys, how you can withdraw or how you can transfer money from Binance to another Binance account. Like I said, you can do this with any coin, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. You can do the same steps. You just have to give you the wallet address of the same coin. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like. Let me know in the comments if this works. I reply to every single comment.